Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When my brother and I were kids, my father loved making breakfast on Sunday. He made old-fashioned baked beans, French toast, potato pancakes, waffles, the old bacon and eggs with hash browns and toast, etc. There's a breakfast food item he loves and made it quite often. In today's episode, I'll show you my version of Denver Omelet. My father used to call it a Western omelet. Nonetheless, this is a very easy recipe to make. With ham, onion, bell peppers, and cheese, this omelet can be enjoyed anytime throughout the day. So my friends, let's get cooking. We'll go ahead and beat our eggs before adding some ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll beat everything again until mixed and set aside. In a skillet over medium-high heat, we'll add butter, and when it starts sizzling, we'll add onions, green peppers, as well as red peppers. I know it's usually just green, but I like colors. Plus, we eat with our eyes first, right? And then, cooked ham. We'll stir the ingredients and cook them until the veggies soften, about 3 to 4 minutes. When it's done, we'll transfer the mixture to a bowl and set aside for now. Next, we'll reduce the heat to medium-low and lightly grease the skillet with cooking spray. Right away, we'll add our beaten eggs and swirl the pan so our egg mixture is well distributed and covers the bottom of the skillet. We'll let it sit like this for about 45 seconds before adding some cheese and also a little smoked paprika. I know it's not conventional, but it sure adds a gorgeous flavor to it. When the edges start to set, using a spatula, we'll gently slide under it to release and then tilt the pan so the runny eggs get in contact with the hot skillet, cooking them as well. And we'll continue doing that until the top is cooked. We'll add the vegetable mixture onto half of the omelet and quickly flip it over. That's it. We're ready to eat. And my friends, this is our Denver Omelet. Light and fluffy, this American classic never gets old. It's a tasty breakfast to enjoy over the weekend, but nothing is stopping you from having it for lunch or dinner. This is a great omelet recipe that should be on your to-do list. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!